Hello and welcome to EGMG's new Useful Services mini-series, Episode 2. This is where we'll be providing tips and useful information about manufacturing in the food and beverage industry, as well as other sanitary-related industries. Now, if you missed our first episode, go back to the Useful Services playlist and learn more about the specific approach that we are using to deal with the worldwide shipping delays and long lead times. But today, in our second episode, we are going to be talking about prolonging your sanitary hose life. We want to talk about a company that can help significantly extend hose life, which minimizes maintenance and the need to purchase new hoses, reducing your replacement costs. And that company is Sanitary. Sanitary is a manufacturer and supplier of premium flexible hose products for the sanitary and ultra-pure manufacturing markets. Today, we are going to look at sanitary hose accessories. Such accessories like hose supports and hose racks with the proper half-moon storage that's going to support the minimum bend radius can aid in reducing wear and tear. It can prevent kinking. It can help give proper drainage and many other problems that tend to be associated with the sanitary hose maintenance. First, let's look at the stainless hose racks. Proper hose storage is critical to maintaining the working life of hose assemblies. Stainless space hose racks are the perfect solution to organizing your sanitary hose assemblies. When used properly, these racks ensure that each hose is stored in accordance with the manufacturer's recommendations. Some of the features and benefits include compact designs that are great for a clean environment. It's going to extend the working life and ensure 100% drainage. It also eliminates clutter and enhances safety in your manufacturing plant. You can store hoses, clamp gaskets, any types of adapters, or even accessories. And all of these will conform to the FDA 3A regulations for hose storage. You can see on the screen here, there are 3 different models. We have the HRA arched hose rack, the HRS slotted hose rack, and then the HRM mobile hose rack that you can move anywhere that you would need to in your manufacturing plant. Let's take a look here at the SealRight brand of products that Sanitary offers. First, let's look at the SealRight GRQ clamps. These are going to be optimized for both gasket load and clamp geometry. This patented clamp designed and features uniform gasket loading, flexibility for challenging alignments, and it's going to extend the joint life. You're going to get maximized joint life while decreasing the potential for gasket intrusion and gapping. The double pin hinges enable the sealing out of tolerance joints with less stress. Now let's look at the SealRight gauge reducer right there on the second. This is going to provide easy and a quick transition for a variety of applications. These reducers are machined from 316 stainless steel and are permanently marked with a heat number. So no more looking for papers to find out what size that reducer was. You'll be able to easily identify these reducers just by looking at them. Now, they are electro-polished in compliance with the highest sanitary standards, and they're going to provide solutions when standard concentric reducers aren't conducive for these tight, confined areas. Next, let's look at the SealRight hose support. It's going to provide additional protection for your transfer hoses. In environments where abnormal wear and cover happen and can occur, you can lift up and extend the life of your hoses. These are going to be 2 halves easily attached with recessed locking screws, and they provide a lightweight design that have wider outer edges and even wider collars that can provide stability, which will eliminate the kinking. These supports are ideal for use in receiving bays to eliminate the damming of water or the pooling of water. Lastly, let's look at the SealRight fitting bumpers. These, again, are going to provide additional protection to your floors and your fittings. They're going to eliminate the bumps and bruises that can occur, as well as those occasional mishaps. Now, this product may require a minimum order, so please just give us a call and we'll be in contact with Sanitary to see how many that order would require. Lastly, you want to protect your investment. You buy all these sanitary hoses, you're going to want to protect them. One way to do that is with a hose sling. Now, hose slings are designed to suspend your hoses in a polyurethane saddle. Each model comes complete with its own UV-treated sling, which is fastened in a choker position. Now, the hose sling provides for OEMs a minimum bending radius to protect your hoses from kinking, and again, to prolong the life of your hose. If you haven't seen the pattern here, we want to help prolong the life of your hose so you're not continuously spending money on replacement costs. We also want to look at the view guard. As you can see in the picture here, these see-through shields can withstand temperatures up to 300 degrees Fahrenheit and pressures up to 1,000 psi. These are a special type of fabrication for flow indicators, pressure vessels, heat exchangers, and various types of instrumentation used in process industries. The ViewGuard shields are going to provide you a visual inspection of joints, indicators, and even flanges. The shield is going to prevent any hazardous spray out that might occur, and it's going to then contribute to a safe working environment. They are constructed of specially designed TFE and clear ECTFE to enable that see-through clear viewing. So lastly, to summarize, do you have any questions? If you do, send us a message. Can we help you prolong your sanitary hose life? Do you have these types of protective accessories in your manufacturing plant? Are your hoses being protected? Or are you just going to have to place another order for ones that aren't being protected? We don't want that to happen. During this time of long shipping delays, worldwide shortages, we want to make sure that you have all the things in your manufacturing plant to keep it operating effectively and efficiently. So if you're interested in any of these products, please don't hesitate to give us a call, send us an email, and we will help keep your manufacturing plant working and operating efficiently. Thank you for listening. We'll see you in episode 3. Goodbye.